And probably my favorite assortment of cases that I bought for this year, new for 2015, I bought 2 cases of these bad boys. It's the Power 14 assortment in Glitter and Doom, 25 shots by AFW. Wink, wink. This one is my favorite, just so you guys know. So I'm hoping that you pick this cake, but I'm trying not to be biased, so I'll give you guys a choice here. But this is definitely my favorite. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the favorite for a lot of people. Glitter and Doom, AFW, Power 14 assortment.